When the user logs into iSpec, the default page is the dashboard. The dashboard lists information like outstanding tasks, project overview, recent and favorite tenders, and a range of different awarded contract graphs and charts. To create a new tender, click the Tenders menu, then click the Create a New Tender link. As we are creating a quick tender, we will select an available template and documents. Complete all fields in the form. At a minimum you must enter a tender name and the department. The department cannot be changed after the tender has been created. When the form is complete, click the Create Tender button. After the tender has been created, the Tender Properties screen will show. With 6 tabs. The first tab is the tender information that was just completed. The second tab is the Approvals tab. Choose a setting and the approval options will automatically be added. They can be removed if they are not all needed. The next tab is the Types and Options tab. Set the evaluation type, visibility, auction, public disclosure and general settings. Next is the Dates tab. Set the publication start and end dates. This tab is also used if the publication date needs to be extended while the tender is open, or if it has already closed. The Currency tab is next. Use this tab for adding additional currencies which the vendors can enter. Also set the exchange rate for the additional currencies compared to the tender default currency. Finally, the last tab is the Budget and KPI tab. Set the budget savings, estimated cost and quantity. After the tender is awarded, go back to this tab to enter the awarded cost. After all the information has been added, click the Save button. The tender is now created and settings configured, and you will be redirected to the Tender Overview screen.